I understand what happened. I'm really sorry for the family. I really feel so bad about it. I have gone to the DCI. I took myself. They didn't look for me. Because kuna tu una feel, oh my God, mtu yako sawa, is everything okay? Oh my God, amepona. So when we went, we were like, that case, it got here and the kid is actually dead. Naifest, check the videos, I'll send you. People had fun. Right. Apart from hizo, of course, hizo small hitches. And kwa event kama ile watu wanatoka different homes, haizi kwa 100%. I sold my car, sold my properties for this event to hold. It's going down the drain just because people feel they can say anything. This is death. Let the DCI do his job. My company is not going down just because some kid came to my event and died and there is still hidden agenda. I did not cause any death. Somebody died and not at my event. They're like, he came, he gave the girlfriend the phones. Now I'm telling you, he gave the girlfriend the phones and he was like, his life is in danger. Will a bodyguard put his life in danger? How? And I'm judging. Police and I'm judging. Bona yeye kushinda watu wengine. You understand? There's a lot that is just on the street and it's too much, and I wish and people should respect the death, because even that boy that is whatever he is, he would want justice to be done. And I've been standing with these people.
The bouncers of the event.
I'm coming at that.
The kid up.
I'm coming at that. That is, first of all, a lie. Bouncer ukilete ujinga atakusukuma tu. But I don't see how a bouncer atachukua kiboko anze kukupiga. Like, it's just malice. That nothing like that happened. What I can tell you that I remember was when I was nilikuja nikaambiwa Bridget kuna msee kwa gate. Ni kijana amepigwa, but word is aliibia mtu.
Msee hakuwa naiba simu, alikuanga kwa VIP. So what happened? Mimi nilikuanga hapo, by the way. I was in the VIP court. I paid for that ticket, of the golden ticket. Hakuwa naiba simu. What happened? Uchali alipiga msee. Kupiga msee, the bouncers even didn't have they didn't have that hat. Walimvuruta. They didn't even like beba him up. Walimvuruta kwa grao. And then what I saw in the door hapo kwa VIP, alirushwa nje.
Do you feel like you managed to achieve following all the precautions put in place for COVID-19?
On God, I did, because Mater Hospital was there and they were taking tests of people who were coming in right from the gate. As long as you're coming to Naifest, there was that.
What were the disciplinary actions that you were coming up with in case you find these young people fighting or you hear of a theft case somewhere? What was the idea? Because when
mtu alikuwa naiba, we were giving to the police. That's why we had the police there.
So I'm wondering, what were the measures that you put in place to handle kids at an event that are getting overexcited with alcohol?
Clearly, there were no kids. Kids are like people who are like under 18.
Okay.
And when people were coming in, first of all, we were checking IDs. Someone brought ID. That was one. That's one of the measures we were taking. You were showing us your ID, because if you see our posters very well, we wrote 18 plus. So nobody's gonna scold me for that.
Yeah.
I wrote.
Yeah.
I got a line at one. The line was so long. I had to go and Nasa niwambie, as long as you have a ticket to ingia. Because time is running also and we don't have time. Okay. At the end of the day, waizi walikuwa na njaa. They were willing to go out of their way to do anything. Even the police themselves were tired. Like, we didn't know what to do. We were just like, time inaisha saa ngapi tutoe watu grao.
So after nimetoka nje is when we found that guy there. So I tried to call the emergency number 911. Haiko inaenda. They were only saying at sijui, police should come and intervene. I don't know what. When the police came, it was at 9:30.
Do you realize, and I will show on a video, I took the kid, apparently people came out there that they do know from the day the event ended, I've been at the police DCI. From Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We were looking for their family. And when their family was found, they were throwing blames at me because they didn't have anyone to throw blames at.
Kuna wale ali-organize, kuna wale ali-permit, kuna wale ali-provide security. So whether it was private or regular security, kuna wale ali-provide. So would like them to come up na watuelezee nini ambayo ilisababisha kifo cha huyu mtoto. Ndio haki yake iweze kupatikana.
Tunataka justice for Shanty. Hakuna kitu kingine. Sisi tukipata justice tutatulia vizuri.
So you personally took the boy to hospital?
Of course I was handling artists. Of course I was handling many. Of course I was being told to turn off the music. It was already past curfew. Msa alikufa kwa event yako? No. Say the truth. On God, he did not die at my event. On God. And I'm repeating it. On God, the boy did not die at the event. On my mother's grave. On my mother's grave, I respect my mother so much. Even if she's late, she raised me to the woman I am, the strong woman I am today. On God, that kiddo did not die at my event.
I personally nilishika pulse yake, and I told those girls there that hiyo pulse yake haiko, and the person actually is dead, but they didn't believe me. So I told them, you know what, umse amekufa.
So we got the boy at the backstage. Yes. Inaweza kuwa ni ukweli, nilipata backstage, tulipata backstage actually. It's not me who found the boy. It's my bro, okay? And a few of my workers. Wakasema Bridget, kuna boy hapa anatoa povu kwa mdomo. Na hivyo ndo tulimpeleka. Nikwambia kai ebu asitukufia. That was my comment. Ebu asikufe hapa. Ebu we rush him to the hospital because the event it's ending in the next 10 minutes. Tumtoe jupo pia huko alikuwa ananisumbua nizime maninyo watu waende home.
Pulse yake haikuwa ina make, nilishika mkono nikashika shingo, haikuwa ina make, haikuwa ina beat at all. So I tried so hard but hawakuwa na pick. Actually went home at around 9:50.
Did you know who took the boy to hospital?
My people, okay. We've been going to the DCI like you don't even answer. This case started before these people came up and said their person is at the city mortuary. We knew all that. We were just waiting for the family to come up. But guess what? After all that was said, I still took the boy to the hospital. Okay. I deserve some. I took the boy. Ambulance ilikuwa ishaenda, event ilikuwa imeisha. That's when we saw the boy backstage. I took and actually the car is down here. The car that took, this is the driver who drives me. You've seen Moha. He's the guy who takes me everywhere. Takes me everywhere. Moha, I told Moha, sasa unaona vile time polisi wanasema tufunge. Wananiambia Bridget kuna msee amelala huko chini na ni kama tukiendelea kumwacha pata die. I was not there. I was busy handling the event. What I can tell you that I remember was when I was nilikuja nikaambiwa Bridget kuna msee kwa gate. Ni kijana amepigwa, but word is alibia mtu. Word. Do you understand me? I'm saying word is almeiba. And now someone at the DCI was asked, Bridget, you cannot come and tell us aliba.
Because we have no proof.
Right? God bless you. You cannot come and say aliba. You understand? The good thing you did, you are noble, you took him to the hospital. When mtu alikuwa naiba, you were giving to the police. That's why we had the police there. Yeah. This guy was just everywhere. I think ule tu kilewa unakuwa everywhere. You just saw him with some random guy and sijui alikuwa anavutana. But unajua ni kwa event, you won't bother to, you know, kujua nini inaendelea na huyo chali.
Alikuanga kwa VIP. So what happened? Mimi nilikuanga hapo, by the way. I was in the VIP court. I paid for that ticket of the golden ticket. And what I saw in the door hapo kwa VIP, alirushwa nje. Me, this is a kid, first of all, I was told like he was seen earlier fighting with guys. Seen earlier causing commotion. Seen earlier doing what he was doing. Of course, amelewa and stuff. Akatolewa mpaka VIP. But he was not beaten as it's been said. When mtu alikuwa naiba, we were giving to the police. That's why we had the police there. You know, the first thing is people should need to ask, alifika just mortuary.
So you confirm that it's your team that actually...
That it's my team. Okay. And it's on the DCI. It's written. If at least because you guys are on this matter, you guys can go to the DCI in Kabete. Okay. Go and check my statements and my people. We've been going there. Okay. And as I'm standing here, I've almost spent close to $1,000 on somebody I don't know. Somebody who people told me is a thief. But I still took in my initiative. It's still a life that has to be. If it was my son, hata kama alikuwa ameiba, and I deserve kurescuiwa. Okay. He was taken to the hospital.
We totally understand and feel the pain of the family, so we can let the story rest now as the police handle it, because this is a life lost and I can imagine what the family is going through. But
and the CCTV, it shows very well we got the kid to the hospital. As in before when he accused one in the Melchizedek hospital, because that's where we took the kid. They asked for the footage, and on the footage you will see very well when the kid got to the hospital, alikuwa amekuwa kwa kiti ya kusukuma. My brothers were telling me and my workers who took the guy. Alikuwa kwa kiti, alikuwa bado hata anakohoa. But I think with the hospital in Kenya, and you guys would rate this 100%, as long as hauna do, as long as family yenyu iko hapo. So tulimkimbiza, my people waku, and then it said that we abandoned him. Like there's so many stories, but we didn't abandon the guy. We were rushing to close the event. At least unajua ako kwa mkono poa ya Osi. But to realize even now as a woman, even me when I was going to give birth, I'll give my story. Lazima upatiane deposit. They don't care. You see women dying with kids on their stomach, even Pumwani, anywhere. Hautaanza kuhudumiwa kama hauna hela. People don't care. And as I'm standing here, I've almost spent close to $1,000 on somebody I don't know.
Kindly to mapolisi wangeshika huyu jamaa, at least aende cell, at least wazae wajuange mtoto wako jela. Than kumtandika man. Walimtandika akiwa walimvaa